January isn't about doing more in the allotment and garden in the UK, it's about doing things better and slower. Welcome to Gardening with Ben. We're going to talk about pacing things out and not rushing things down at the plot and the allotment during January and February. It can be a busy month come March when you're sowing all those seeds, getting all your seeds ready and all sown, and then potting them all on in April and May time. It can be a busy month during them months. So it's about using January and February wisely, sitting back and enjoying being out in the garden and being out in the open and fresh air and possibly the rain outside as it is at the moment. So I tend to just come down and enjoy being in my polytunnel, listening to the rain and watching the birds on the feeders and just being out in the fresh air, as I've got all my jobs done now. I started them all in September all the way up to December. I got all my plot cleared and ready for the growing year ahead. So yeah, we have had a busy few months. So January, February, I slow down and I don't do as much. These couple of months I use during the rainy time, being in the polytunnel of the shed and getting them all tidied and ready and sorting out all my shelving, all my seed trays, all the pots, going through all my seeds and seeing what we're going to be sowing this year. I also sit and read through catalogues and magazines, see what new varieties there are out and see whether I'm going to try them this year, because it's exciting to try different varieties. There's so many weird and wonderful varieties out there. Like, you can get all different coloured tomatoes now, you can get yellow ones, you can get purple ones, you can get black ones, even cauliflower you can get purple and yellow ones. But be careful when ordering online, because there is a lot of AI out there and a lot of fake seeds. So make sure they are from a reputable wholesaler or online shop before you buy them. Don't always buy from dodgy websites, because you might end up with dodgy seeds and they might just be normal tomatoes. Or last year I saw loads of people trying to sell pink sunflowers. You don't get pink ones, you just get red ones and black ones and yellow ones. So be careful when ordering seeds, because there is a lot of dodgy ones out there. And obviously sitting back in January and February time, it helps the mindset. Obviously it's dark and dull and dingy and awful weather, so it's a time when you can just sit back and enjoy and relax and be outside with nature and be in the fresh air and enjoy being down at the allotment. And you don't want to get burnt out with doing too much down at the plot, because it can be overwhelming. I always say that to new gardeners, that when you take an allotment on, don't try and rush it all in one year. Cover it over and take it day by day. Don't try and do it all at once. So yeah, those are our tips for today. Slow down, take it steady, because it is going to become busier towards March, April and May. So make sure you drop us a follow for all our tips and advice on when we're going to be sowing all our seeds this year. Until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining and keep gardening with Ben everyone.